What it do, Jazzy Boos? It's Jackie and Jazzets here. And yes, that was the intro for right now, because what this video is about will explain why. You better hush that noise up in there. My pup. I'm doing a dang on video. But anyway, this is your girl Jackie, and that intro right there is what y'all got right now, because that's just what it's gonna be. If you are a subscriber, you already know what it is. But if this is your first time seeing my lovely face, you can go ahead and kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it's free. Yeah, you already know it's free, and it's gonna be free, and that's just what it is. So go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and get a like, because I know you already feeling the video, so don't play me. Give me my like. So this video is gonna be on, I have a legitimate reason, like I ain't lying. You know, they always say I ain't lying, for real. Like, the reason why it took me so long to put another video up is because when I get ready, I actually did 2 videos, and then I realized something. I checked my Google Ads, not Google Ads, my AdSense for my YouTube, and realized that my numbers were kind of low, like they weren't the same. And I was like, what is going on? So I went back to my YouTube, you know, in my dashboard and everything, and I did some digging. Ain't had to dig far. Shit. And I realized that a lot of my videos had been copyrighted claimed. Ones that I used free music. When everybody always thought, oh, this is free music. Use this music. Don't do it. Don't do it, because I'm going to tell you what happened. Okay. So I did a video before, and I told you, okay, make sure you didn't have, you know, music that was copyright, that can get a copyright claim in your thing or whatever. Boom. Use the free music. But what happened is, I guess after it was free, they say, oh, use my beats, use my music and everything. And once they get popular type thing, I guess they do paperwork or whatever to claim their sound or whatever. And so I'm not getting paid for a lot of my videos no more, because the music that I had on there, the person or whatever, I guess they're getting, you know, my money every time people are looking at my videos and clicking everything. And honey, I'm nice, but I ain't that goddamn nice. So yes, I don't care. I don't care. I ain't deleted them yet, but I made it, you know, not public anymore. It's private. You ain't fit to get no coins off of me, bruh. Whoever you may be. No. So I made all of those videos. A good ding on. I counted 12 so far. I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna remake those videos and ain't putting no music on there unless I get my kids to do some drumming or whatever. Unless I get in the studio and make a damn song. This is what y'all get right here, because I'm not fit to do all of this work and then give my coins to somebody else. I mean, it's free to y'all, but this shit takes time. Editing, okay, the time and everything. Man, this takes time, especially running the daggone business and you allotting time out of that or whatever to do video. That editing and everything and getting it posted and all of that or whatever, this shit takes time. So no, I am not fit to give somebody else my coins. Okay, ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. So that's what happened. I went in there and I saw everything that was monetized. Well, a lot of them that was monetized, it had the little red, and it's not monetized no more. Well, not for me anyway. So I was like, wow. So I didn't even notice it or whatever. So it's been about a good 4, 5, no, probably about damn 3, 4, 5 months or whatever that I haven't been getting paid for my videos. And a lot of people look at my videos, and a lot of people ask questions under my videos and everything. And I was like, my videos getting all the display, and I was like, okay, something ain't right when my dang on funds wasn't looking right when I looked in my dang on account. And yeah, that is what is going on right now. So I advise you guys that are I'm not even gonna say new YouTubers, even the old ones that didn't even notice it, go in your accounts and look at, you know, some of that music y'all be using. Ooh, it's free music, find it on YouTube, use the sound in the iMovie. Because they coming out the woodworks claiming they beats and everything. I guess when they get popular or everybody start using the whatever not, you know how that shit work. Yeah, I don't even know why I ain't thought about that before. But then I started digging and looking into some, you know, research or whatever. And I noticed that Jackiana, however you say her name or whatever, like, she doesn't use, you know, intro music and stuff like that no more. I guess because that's why. Because think about it. Or if I make a song or whatever and I say, okay, it's free. Most people that they're gonna make music or whatever, when they still starting, they give out free, you know, demos and stuff like that. But when that music hit hard and then start getting paper and everything, and hey, then they want them claims or whatever. I don't even know why. I ain't pay no attention to that before. I'm so mad at myself right now. So y'all will be getting a whole lot of, I ain't gonna say new content. I'm just gonna be doing a lot of videos, so that means okay, you get new information in it or whatnot. But yeah, that's why I haven't posted them, because I really trying to do everything right now, because I don't want in a couple of years for this to happen again. So I'm gonna either make my own music or you won't get no music at all. But hey, I have my kids in the background bamming on some pots and shit before I get somebody some coins for using their little rinky dinky ass beat. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's what's going on. I've actually made some videos and then I edited and then I put the music in and I was uploading it and it said copyright claim. I was like, what? It's the same music I always use in my videos. And I'll be damned. I went to all my other videos that I'd used that same beat in and they're not monetized anymore. So yeah. All that hard work, and it was some good videos, a lot of views and everything too. So if you look for a video and it's not there, that's why. And if you're looking for a video and it's not there, let me know and I'll make sure to put that on my list if it's not already on my list to redo that video. So I can only look at it from, you know, this point of view. Okay, it'll be a better video now. Okay, but a lot has been oh, the forms online, let me say this before I forget. The forms online for the sweetener, it's been restocked, and if you haven't noticed out, it's coming 2 sizes, this one and this one. This is the 20 milliliter and this is the what is this, 2 ounces, I think so. Yeah, anywho, go boom. But yeah, they're restocked. This is only half of them. I gotta change this around because I don't like this. I don't like this storage and stuff behind me when I'm doing videos. It look very tacky. Mind your business and watch them out. It looked very tacky to me, and I don't want that here. But my sunlight is coming, you know, from my windows right here. So this is where I want to do my videos. So I'm gonna have to move this around. If you want to see me do all of that, no, I ain't even gonna do that to myself. I ain't gonna see that. It's too much work. Videotaping all of that. But if I do, I'll post it. But I'm gonna move those over there. And these right here, this is something that, okay, you can't just slide over because they're connected, they're bound together, and they easily pop or loose or whatever if you pull them the wrong way. But they're sturdy. But if you pull them the wrong way when they have something in it, because something that's in there is heavy, because like these right here, is it this one? This one right here has the I bought the metal under whatever, so for more support. But the white one, I mean the clear one over here, it doesn't have the metal shelf. It has the same kind of shelves as the doors or whatever. Because like when I put my Versagel 8 ounces and stuff in here, it would weigh that down. So I ordered this one after I got that. But okay, that ain't what this video about. But yeah, I'm gonna move this around or whatever so I can get a better feel in here, because this is not working for me, especially making these videos. And if I'm gonna be, you know, making videos consistently on time and everything, which I'm gonna try to do one every week. And this is Wednesday, so this is my YouTube recording day, and I'm gonna have it posted sometime between Wednesday and Friday. Okay, boom. Well, yeah, I'm gonna change this around because it's not working for me. So I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know exactly why I wasn't, you know, making videos. And if you are an old YouTuber that make content, or a new YouTuber thinking about starting videos or whatever, make sure that you are very careful with the music that you use in your intros, in your videos, the background music, all of that, because one little clip can get you slapped out the monetization gang, okay? And we do too much work on these videos to not, you know, reap the benefits of whatnot making these videos. I'm not fit to give somebody, especially no damn stranger, my coins I done work so hard for. So you can make a 10-minute video and it take you 2 hours to damn edit it or whatever and get it up and everything with the intros and everything. So I'm gonna have to do a whole new intro. And until I do, you're gonna get them intros just like what you seen. I gotta do a whole new intro. I gotta find out, because I don't want it to be just quiet. Like I want something in the background. But anywho, well, yeah, that's what's going down right now. I gotta do everything again to make sure that, okay, nothing like this don't happen in the future. So all of y'all that think all of these trending beats and everything are in, good luck on get monetized, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are starting YouTube because you're trying to, you know, make it out of a career type thing or whatever. But as long as you're doing that, no, because then people want their coins, okay? And YouTube ain't fit to try to get sued or anything about no copyrights and all of that. They gonna cover their ass, okay? If that means you not getting recognition for your videos, then that's what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this edited and whatever so I can post it. Which you're watching it now. I'm done if you're watching it now. But thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember to be you, because only you can do it best. If you have not visited my site yet, you can go ahead and do so. The information will be in the description. My TikTok, IG, and all of that whatnot will be in the description bar. Description bar. Girl, shut up. Will be down below. So, peace. Thanks for watching. Yeah.